Hello and welcome to Foods That Heal, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. If you're interested in natural ways to boost your health and well-being, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it informative and helpful. Today, we're talking about the surprising benefits of intermittent fasting for your health. Intermittent fasting, or IF for short, is a pattern of eating that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. There are several different ways to do IF, but the most common methods are the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5:2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. So, what are the benefits of IF? First and foremost, IF can help with weight loss. By restricting your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories overall. Additionally, IF has been shown to increase your metabolism and improve your insulin sensitivity, which can help your body burn fat more efficiently. Intermittent fasting, IF, is a dietary pattern that involves alternating periods of fasting and eating. The most popular IF methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5:2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. IF has been shown to have several health benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, and increased insulin sensitivity. By limiting your eating window, you consume fewer calories overall, which can lead to weight loss. Additionally, IF has been shown to improve metabolic health by increasing the body's ability to burn fat and reducing insulin resistance. One of the most fascinating benefits of IF is the promotion of autophagy, which is the natural process by which cells in the body break down and recycle damaged components. Autophagy has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's, and can also help promote longevity. It's worth noting that while it can be an effective way to improve health, it may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or eating disorders, should consult with a healthcare provider before trying IF. Additionally, it's important to maintain a balanced and healthy diet during eating periods to ensure that your body gets the nutrients it needs. Overall, IF is a powerful dietary approach that has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits. By incorporating IF into your daily routine, you may be able to achieve improved health and well-being. But weight loss isn't the only benefit of IF. Research has also shown that IF can trigger a process called autophagy, which is a natural cellular repair mechanism that helps your body get rid of damaged cells and regenerate new ones. This can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, as well as promote longevity. So there you have it, the surprising benefits of intermittent fasting for your health. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your metabolism, or promote longevity, IF is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Foods That Heal, for more healthy living tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.